Friendship Trails are all about sharing promotion, sharing ideas, just friendship around the world, basically. And we have, I think this is our 7th Friendship Trail. We have Friendship Trails with the Lebanon Mountain Trail and the Jeju Ola Trail in Korea, with the Cotswold Way, with Offa's Dyke Path. I'm missing a couple here. Oh, the Rim of Africa Trail. So we have them all over the world, and it's really wonderful now to have a bit of Australia on the Bruce Trail. And this is one of the ideas behind the Friendship Trail program, is that we bring a bit of their trail to the Bruce Trail, and they take a bit of Bruce Trail to their trail. I have a friend who's going to Korea. As you know, with the Bruce Trail, because we're south-north, north-to-south, however you want to put it, we go through different zones. We go through different temperature zones and different eco-zones as well. Same with the Bibbulmun Track. It goes through a number of different areas, and Carl has been there, so where's Carl? There he is. He's going to talk a little bit about that, I'm sure. I found it really interesting that we have a similarity between the Bruce Trail. The Bruce Trail was founded by Ray Lowes as a means of raising awareness for the Niagara Escarpment, but he had to model. He thought, oh, I'll build this trail and everyone's going to come to the escarpment and fall in love with it, and that's what happened, and that's why 50 years later, we're still preserving land and doing all those good things. But he had to find a model, so he found the Appalachian Trail as his model. And similarly, the Appalachian Trail was a model. The Bibbulmun Track was started in the 70s, but it was 1993 when an avid hiker in that area had been to the Appalachian Trail and saw this magnificent trail with rest stops and all kinds of things, and thought, gosh, this is what we need. This is what we need. So he went back to Australia, Western Australia, and said to the government, we need some help on this. Now, they are fortunate. They're not like us. They have government land. It's from my understanding anyway, most of it's government land. So they don't have the challenges we do with landowner permission and denial and all that sort of thing. But he said, you know, we have this great idea for this trail. It could be really great, but we need rest areas, we need overnight, shelters and things like that. And so the government really, really pitched in. Now here's a little aside. How many of you have ever done trail work as a volunteer for the Bruce Trail Conservancy? Okay, just about everybody, right? Well, have you ever felt like you were on a little bit of a prison chain gang sometimes, hauling equipment around and, banging in spikes? There you go. Well, what they actually did was I don't know exactly the name of their ministry, but the Department of Correctional Services, they took minimum security prisoners and voluntarily asked them, would you like to work on this project? And the prisoners, it became kind of an elite thing to be able to do, to work on the Bibbulmun Track. So many of the shelters were prefabbed in the prison grounds and taken out and erected in the paths where they had to fortify them and what have you, was done by prisoners. But there are a lot of volunteers as well, and that's another similarity. So it's really lovely to be able to twin with this wonderful trail, and we are always about raising awareness for what we do, which is preserving land and having this beautiful hiking trail within that land. So I'm delighted to be here today to twin this beautiful trail. I want to hear what Carl has to say all about it. But before I do that, I'm going to introduce and ask Laura Ryan, who's the Warden of Dufferin County, to say a few words.
Yeah, thank you very much. And so welcome to all of you today to this great occasion, opening the Bibbulmun Trail, Friendship Trail. As Warden of the Dufferin County and Mayor of the town of Mono, I want to thank the organizing committee for inviting me to attend. I bring great appreciation for the volunteers and all the work that you do to maintain the trails for the enjoyment of our community. Dufferin Highland Club has built and maintained 56 kilometers of main trail and 30 kilometers of side trail in both Mono and Mulmer. Wow, especially when we've just, like you said, experienced the ice storm, and my own property was overwhelmed, so I can't imagine what the trail system was like. This area also includes maintaining the trails in Mono Cliffs Park and the Boyne Valley Park. The many tourists from GTA are committed to traveling the Bruce Trail in our community, and we see the benefits in our area from the tourism dollars received and the repeat business throughout our Dufferin area. Thank you all again for your dedication to our environment, to our wellness, and to the development of our recreational facilities for our future. Thanks.
Thank you. Clubs I love. I'm going to introduce Carl Alexander to come up and say, you don't need introduction, but he's going to come up and say a few words, because you were recently there and can tell us all about the track.
Well, just a few things. First of all, it's great that Beth's here today. That's all the things she does. She's here again. And,
my pleasure.
And Mayor Ryan for coming out. That's appreciated. And of course the BT staff, Jackie's here, and
Alison Wright.
Yeah, there we are. So that's great. And it's great that we're twinning up with this Australian. They call it the bib.
The bib? We call it the Bruce, don't we?
And Linda and I were in Australia, and we hiked about 50 kilometers of it in chunks and bits and pieces. It's 1,000 kilometers. Terrifically different terrain, though. They have gorgeous coastal areas where you're on the beach or you're up on bluffs, and the ocean is just magnificent. But then the bulk of it actually is inland, in fairly flat terrain, because Australia is flat relatively. We were impressed with their blazing system, which are these things. They're an aluminum bonded plate, and they're gently nailed to trees. But the beauty of them is that they can point up, this way, on angles, so they really are multi-purpose.
I'm the trail director for the Dufferin Bruce Trail Club. Now, one thing you may not know is that the Friendship Trail is on 3 BTC managed lands. So we want to show our appreciation for the Conservancy to have the foresight to conserve these beautiful properties in perpetuity. But it is great that these lands will be protected forever for the enjoyment of not just the folks who live in Dufferin County and nearby, but for everybody. So we really want to thank the Conservancy for having the foresight, and also the landowners for being generous enough to sell us these beautiful properties.
It's not going to cut? Uh-oh. Okay.
Further in the jaw. There you go. Further in the jaw.
Look at those piddly scissors.
Yay!
Need a little help there.
Hey, great. Thank you, everyone. I'm going to join.
Where are you?
Wow, look how many people there are.
We don't get this many hours.
That would be me if I was in
Look at the masses of people.
Hey, if you lived here, you would be